The different asset classes behaves differently in different market scenario. Some asset classes able to give you some good returns. At the same point of time, some are stuck with negative returns or low returns. Hi friends, welcome back with a new video on financial literacy. Today's topic is Balanced Advantage Fund. Asset allocation plays an important role in investment management. Asset allocation means simply diversify your investment across the asset classes so that helps you to mitigate the risk in difficult market situation of different market cycle. This also helps you to get best probable return from investment. It is generally observed. Let's understand the importance of asset allocation considering following points. To mitigate investment risk by allocating money not to a particular investment segment, by diversifying we shall be able to get returns from all asset classes as all asset classes don't move simultaneously. There are many asset classes in market from which we can get diversification. For example, real estate, gold, commodities, bank FD, equity and debt market. From data experience, liquidity criteria and taking tax point of view, we have observed that debt and equity are the best investment opportunities for asset allocation, which successfully covers all the required aspects of investments. We consider these two asset classes for our investments. Now next question come to our mind. How much allocation we should do and when we should increase or decrease debt and equity allocation? Can we manage our debt and equity investment with our own strategy? But again this question come to our mind. How do we know when to increase debt or equity allocation and how to manage tax efficiently so that our hard-earned money not X by the tax? So here is the role of asset allocation mutual fund product, which officially known as Balanced Advantage Fund or BAF. In BAF category, fund manager read market movements keenly. With the help of data points and present strategies, well-researched report, they conclude about the market movement which help them for increasing or decreasing equity and debt allocation and manage tax efficiently. There are many strategies followed by different fund managers to identify debt and equity allocation level at the fund level. In nutshell, we can say BAF is nothing but an asset allocation solution for investor. This is evergreen product from mutual fund side as asset allocation being done by fund managers. So investor don't need to time the market. They can put their money and simply it is a stress-free investment solution. This product can be very good who all are looking for conservative tax efficient investment opportunities.